Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your computer or phone to the Hathway network. Use an Ethernet cable for stability or stay on Wi-Fi. Open a browser and enter the router IP, commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 to reach the login page. Enter the admin credentials printed on the modem sticker or the ones your ISP provided. If you changed them earlier and forgot, pause here and note you may need to reset the router to factory defaults before continuing. Once logged in, navigate to wireless or WLAN settings. Interfaces vary, but look for Wi-Fi, SSID, or wireless security. Select the band you want to change. 4 GHz and 5 GHz are often separate, so update each if needed. Replace the SSID with your preferred name and pick a security mode. WPA2 PSK is widely compatible. WPA3 is stronger if all devices support it. Enter a strong passphrase, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, and make sure to remember or securely record it. After updating SSID and password, click Save or Apply. Many routers will prompt for a reboot. Permit it to ensure changes take effect. Then reconnect one device using the new network name and key to verify connectivity. Make sure guest networks or extenders are updated too when applicable. If a device won't connect, power cycle the device and router, double-check the passphrase, and confirm the correct band. If problems persist, reset the router to factory settings and repeat configuration with the default admin credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.